Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will show how to require deposits with bookings with Acuity. You want to start in your Acuity dashboard where we will go to payment settings. From here, you can connect Stripe, Square, and PayPal to take payments from your customer. With that set up, you can come below and turn on the deposit. You can use the same method for all appointment types, or you can select it by appointment type. So we have consultation for $45. If I wanted to only create a deposit for this service, I can add it here, which I can do full payment plus allow clients to pay extra, set a set amount, or set a percentage. Next, I could collect and save card details, and I can select it for a payment information not required. I could toggle on here, and here I could set the method for every appointment type that I have and will create in my account. So I can collect deposits or that full payment, and I can have the percentage here. And I can also select that they can pay the full amount in advance, and they can tip when they pay in advance. Then we'll click save, and that now adds a deposit to our appointment types.